Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about my top 5 Holy Grail makeup products, and let me tell you, this was hard to choose. Only 5 products. It was pretty hard, and I have other products that are just incredible, but I decided on these, and let me tell you why. So first of all, we have the Natasha Denona concealer. This is just my favorite concealer. It has coverage, it is hydrating. I am wearing it today. It's just the best concealer. I really like it. I will for sure repurchase it. It is so good, so beautiful in the packaging as well. Good quality packaging, is not broken or something like that. The shade is just great for me. It is the shade N1. It's just, like I said, very easy to blend. Pretty good coverage, but buildable, and creamy, but not smeary. It's not creasing on me. I decided to put it in here. And the product that I repurchased a million times, it is the Too Faced Fluff and Hold Laminating Brow Wax. I just love it. It is my favorite, and I tried a bunch of brow gels just to try to replace this one, to dupe it, or even an alternative from Sephora, and I was unable to find something that I love as much as this one. It's just the best. I have pretty thin hair, and my brow hairs as well are pretty thin, so the very strong brow gels were just... But because this one is strong enough, but not industrial glue type of strong, because of that, my hairs are staying in place, and I love my brows right now, so this is for sure my holy grail. Next, I have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and I love a million lip products. I have a bunch of favorites, and I could recommend like 10 products in the lip category. But when I don't want to think too much about my lip products, when I have a even bad day, or I just want to put some makeup and just go out, this will be the option always. So I know that this will look great on me, this will wear nicely, this will make my lips look great, and I will feel better. This is just an incredible product. It is a holy grail. It is an incredible formula, and it is in the project pan right now. I'm not bored of it, and I wore it a million times this year, and it's just an incredible lip product. Next, we have the newest product in here, and I was debating if I want to put it in my holy grail category, but at the same time I love it so much, and it makes the biggest difference, and I adore the product and the formula and everything. So I was taking a leap and decided to put this one in here. This is the Essence Lash Without Limits in the brown. I don't know if I love it as much as I do because it is a brown mascara, or because the formula is great as well, but I think it is a combination of both of them. This looks so great. I'm not wearing it today. Today I have a black mascara from Essence, but Essence is always doing great mascaras at an affordable price, and this one looks so nice, and it makes my eyes pop, and I love it. Doesn't smudge. My lashes look pretty long. I just love it. It's just great. So I decided to put it in here, and I am sure that I will repurchase it and use it a bunch, so I already know that it is a great product. And lastly, I decided on this one. This is the Huda Beauty Loose Baking Powder. I repurchased this one a bunch. I already have a backup of it. I did repurchase this, and you are getting a lot of product in here, and I finished it up, so you know that I just love it. It is the best. I have combo skin. My T-zone is pretty oily, and I already know that I could apply this one on top of any foundation, any concealer, and it will mattify everything, but it will not look cakey or heavy or something like that. And I could apply some setting spray, and my makeup will look just great. It is my favorite powder, and it's been my favorite powder for some years, so it is for sure my holy grail, and I adore it. So I hope this video was fun. It was pretty hard for me to choose only 5 products, but I love them and I enjoy using them. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.